Going to step away from the bus today and get back on this Beetle. I want to get that rear cross member, at least start cutting it out and see how far I get. But I'm not too keen on the new panels that I got. They're all the same from most suppliers now. I've gone to all that trouble with the heater channel to make it look a lot earlier, a lot rounder, and I get dealt this square monstrosity, whereas the old one's quite rounded. But I don't think there's anything I can do with that, and it's going to be pretty much hidden underneath everything anyway, so let's get on. Half of the cross member nearly all out. It's got little remnants of the old one up underneath that lip there. Just decided to zip it across with the angle grinder, get it out of the way. There it is. Hopefully I'll be able to save these. These are quite dear, these parts here, these tubings, especially if you get the Bakelite type style. But look at the state of that. So I've just been carrying on cutting the bad stuff out of this rear quarter where the cross member meets the heater channel and the closing plate. Just trying to trial fit, see how that goes in. I was initially going to cut the other side out as well, but I thought I'd leave that for now, and just been trial fitting the new heater channel. See how that's been fitting. So I think I'm going to have to extend a piece of metal here just so I've got something to weld to. The front was taking quite a while to line up and get it in line with that front firewall, but it's nearly there. Got all the pan bolt holes almost lining up. Might have to elongate a couple of those. I've just got to make a repair to that A-pillar, but a little bit more fettling, and see where it takes me from there. If you remember, I had to drill the heads off of the bolts for the door hinge on the Beetle. I've got the remains of the bolts in there, so I'm just going to try and get this prepared. It's a little bit bent up as well, so I'll try and straighten that out. There we go, managed to clean it all up now, and I've just run some old bolts through there as well, just to clean up the threads inside. Had some remnants of the old screws in there. But the reason I'm getting this ready is for when I cut the A-pillar off of the car, and I'll have the door ready to hang and align, so I can get my door gaps where I want them. And I'm sure everyone shops around for their parts and hardware, but I managed to get these stainless steel screws, a set of 12 for both doors, £5 on eBay, and usually the big retailers online, they're charging about 17.5 quid. That's quite a big saving on the hardware there. Okay, so I think I'll leave it there for now. It's taken quite a few hours to cut out all the unwanted rust in this corner section there and align the panels in. As you saw, I've marked up from underneath where the pan bolt's got to pass through the rear crossmember panel, so I'm yet to drill those out. I think next time I'm going to have to remake this panel here. It's a bit worse for wear, and hopefully get the heater channel a little bit more lined up.